Hi, this is Chuck. Welcome to our video question of the week. This week we get a question from my friend Tom LeBlanc in Massachusetts. Tom's actually the editor of Commercial Integrator magazine, so I wanted to point out his question because I get asked this a bunch of times. But anyway, his question is, why is it so difficult to attract young people to our industry, and what can be done about that? Well, Tom and others, our answer to that, and we do agree that that is a problem, but our answer is really ESPA, the Electronic Systems Professional Alliance, which is an organization that we helped found probably 5 or 10 years ago, and then a new program that we're launching this year from the NSCA Education Foundation called Ignite. And Ignite, the tagline for that is sparking your interest in technology. So we have put together these programs that I think can make a difference. Now ESPA, we have about 300 students in that program this year, so it continues to grow. We continue to crank out certified electronic system technicians to help our members find new installers, new technicians to do the systems that they provide. Also on this Ignite program now, well, let me step back to ESPA real quick. One other thing about that, what's going to make it different for next year is that we have a full-time, we've increased the staffing. Jeff Gardner's going to start working there full-time and really start making more of a commitment to these colleges to help them with the tools they need to implement our curriculum and stuff. So I think that 300 number will even grow. We have about 20 schools now offering this. So ESPA's up and running. It's going great. More and more students come out all the time ready for a job in our industry. On the Ignite side though, so the foundation has funded Ignite, and we have 3 really excited people that are working on this, and they are Kelly Perkins from AVI Systems, Lori Englert from Chief or Milestone, and then Mike Shin from IMS Technology Services. So all of these people are working hard to form a group that is doing, and right now they're doing interviews with schools and talking to administrators at the high school level, tech school level, just trying to see what things that this program that we're offering can do in partnership with these schools to try to get guidance counselors and others to steer students this way. Now the challenge, like you say, why is it so hard? The biggest problem we have is that the statistics are working against us. For example, most every teenager loves technology. They're a high-end user of it. They're a daily user of it, but only 18% of them see themselves working in a technology-related career. So even though they love it, that doesn't mean they want to make their living doing that. Now of those 18, the 18% that are interested, their main 3 interests are working on web applications, mobile apps, and video game design. So that kind of works against us as well. They're not thinking about what we're doing. So with that, and then you combine it with, I think the number was 84% of all high school students believe that they should go on and get a 4-year college degree. 9% intend to go to trade school or go to a 2-year school, and then only 7% intend to go to a trade school. Well, our programs are in that 7% in the trade school thing. So that's going to be a little bit difficult for us to get our word out to just that small 7%. So the statistics are not our friend in this case, but nevertheless, we've got these programs that are going to help us build a pipeline into these high schools and into the tech schools so that we can move interested students from the technical programs, the STEM programs in their high schools basically, into the EST programs and stuff at the 20-some schools we work with, and then hopefully that pipeline right into our member companies so that you guys can develop a, kind of a job fair kind of thing, be a regular at their job fairs, and then have this, this Ignite-related material available to you. So the idea behind this is that Ignite is going to be providing collateral material, the brochures, the talking points, the things that get people excited. One thing we hear about from the high school students is that it sounds like an interesting thing to do, but the math sounds a little bit overwhelming. So we gotta let people know that this is a lot of hard work, but the work is worth it. So the careers in our industry are well worth going through the math programs and other things that we have. So our goal, Mike, Lori, Kelly, what they're working hard on is getting all the the connections made to these high school administrators and tech school administrators, and then doing these surveys so that we know how we can work better and how we can get attached to the STEM programs in these high schools to make it better. So, Tom, we're doing a lot. I hope you can help us spread the word that Ignite and ESPA are working very hard to get people interested in the industry, and then from there we'll see where this goes. At the BLC in 2016, the Business and Leadership Conference at the end of February, we're going to make some announcements about how this Ignite program is going, how to get involved. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for the great question.